Welcome incoming students of San Jose State University. We are a club dedicated to creating technical opportunities for our members. We offer events and workshops that will enhance your education and future careers. Some previous events we have brought to our members are mock interviews for technical jobs, resume building workshops, and personal branding workshops. We have also offered events affiliated with Google, Accenture, and Proofpoint. This semester, we hope to bring you all more interview prep, virtual company events, and lots of career-enhancing opportunities. I'd also like for you all to hear a little about one of our members' experiences with STEM Now.
Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and I am the treasurer for STEM Now this fall semester. But before I'm a treasurer, I'm first a member of STEM Now. From the resume workshops, mock interviews, and company visits, I have learned so much from the activities STEM Now has provided for its members. But most importantly, I have found like-minded friends in STEM Now that motivated me to strive forward in the STEM field. All the while, STEM Now has also enriched my knowledge about the job opportunities in STEM and how to attain such opportunities to join for the friends you will meet and the great introduction and enrichment of your knowledge into the STEM work field.
We hope Catherine inspired you, and if you'd like to find out more information, please join us for our first general meeting on September 3rd. Thank you.